Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Whether you're a coffee connoisseur, a tea aficionado, or simply seeking a refreshing drink to quench your thirst, come aboard with us in today's episode as we discover the wide array of beverages that await you on your next Princess Cruise. Before we dive into the tantalizing drink options, let's take a quick moment to understand the alcohol policy on Princess Cruises. To ensure the safety and well-being of all guests, alcoholic beverages can only be purchased and served on board to guests who are 21 years of age and older. The ship's staff may request secondary identification from anyone who appears younger than the age requirement. However, for cruises sailing between certain regions like Australia, New Zealand, China, Europe, Singapore, and South America, the drinking age is lowered to 18 years old. And in Japan ports, the drinking age is set at 20 years old. Now, let's explore the beverages included during your cruise. Start your day with a refreshing glass of iced tea, a hot cup of tea, or a steaming cup of coffee, regular or decaf. For those who prefer something a little zestier, the World Fresh Marketplace serves delicious lemonade. Juice is also available during breakfast hours, and you can savor the goodness of whole milk, non-fat milk, soy milk, lactose-free milk, and rice milk throughout your cruise. Do keep in mind that if you require soy milk, lactose-free milk, rice milk, caffeine-free Coke, caffeine-free Diet Coke, or Diet Tonic Water, it's best to request them in advance of your sailing. Princess must receive these requests no later than 35 days before the sail date for domestic voyages, and no later than 65 days before the sail date for international voyages. To request these items, contact the dietary coordinator via email at dietaryrequest@princesscruises.com. Indulging in a cup of coffee is a unique experience on Princess. In March 2023, Princess partnered with the world-renowned coffee brand Lavazza, providing guests with an array of hot coffee options and convenient ready-to-drink cans. Additionally, specialty coffee made with 100% Arabica beans is available throughout the ship, with the brand varying based on the ship's ports of call. When it comes to bottled water, you can purchase it on board, with various brands available. For your convenience, the prices are as follows: 0.5-liter bottles for $2 and 1.5-liter bottles for $3.95. In each cabin, you'll also find 2 bottles of water available for a nominal fee. And if you wish to stock up on bottled water before disembarkation in each port, Princess offers the option to purchase it. If you're in need of an energy boost, Red Bull, the popular energy drink, is readily available at any bar on board for $3.95. It's the perfect pick-me-up for those moments when you want to keep the fun going all night long. For those who prefer non-alcoholic options, non-alcoholic beer is available on all ships, with either Heineken 0.0 or Sapporo being the brand options. You can also enjoy non-alcoholic wine, specifically Sutter Home Free White Zinfandel, priced at approximately $16. And if you're in the mood for something bubbly and celebratory, try Martinelli's non-alcoholic sparkling cider, available for around $11. Quench your soda cravings with the vast selection available. You can enjoy a glass of soda from the Soda Gun for $1.50 plus an 18% gratuity, or opt for a 12-ounce soda for $1.95 plus an 18% gratuity. It's important to remember that Diet Ginger Ale is not carried on board. For those who like to plan ahead, Princess allows guests to bring their own sealed bottled water, soda, and juice on board. There is no limit to how much you can bring, as long as the items are manufactured and sealed. So, feel free to bring along your favorite drinks and enjoy them at your leisure during your voyage. We hope this comprehensive guide to the beverages offered on Princess Cruises has made your mouth water with anticipation. Whether you're a tea lover, a coffee enthusiast, a soda connoisseur, or simply seeking a refreshing drink to complement your voyage, Princess Cruises has something for everyone. Now, it's time to share your favorite beverage in the comments section below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.